Okay, let's get started. You'll need a nice big needle and a knot on the end of your embroidery thread, about 30 centimeters. Start from the midway along your template piece, just so that knot's hidden, and you simply want to run a straight stitch all the way to the end. You're going to turn around and come back again and create a solid stitch. Okay, so you've got one last stitch to go. You want to make sure you're finished on both sides, and then you want to pass your needle up through your two pieces of faux leather, through the center. Now you're going to create a loop, and then you're going to pass your needle back through that loop. You want to make sure you're coming out through a separate stitch so that when you pull it, it creates a knot. Do a couple of these just to make sure it's secure, and then all you need to do is trim your floss and you're done. So I do hope that helps. If you have any questions, please just reach out. I'm here, always happy to help. And there you go, cute little book corner. Thanks for watching, bye.